Welcome to today's video where we will be sharing some incredible tips and tricks for maximizing weight loss on the smoothie diet with the help of the Ikaria Lean Belly Juice. If you are looking to shed those extra pounds in a healthy and delicious way, then you have come to the right place. Before we dive into the tips and tricks, let's take a moment to understand why the smoothie diet is so effective for weight loss. The smoothie diet is a nutrition-packed approach that involves replacing your regular meals with healthy and nutrient-dense smoothies. This helps to curb your cravings, reduce calorie intake, and boost your metabolism, ultimately leading to significant weight loss. Our first tip is to choose nutrient-rich ingredients for your smoothies. Opt for fruits and vegetables that are high in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Include leafy greens like spinach or kale, and add fruits like berries or citrus for a burst of flavor. These ingredients not only support weight loss but also boost your overall health. Protein is an essential component of any weight loss plan, as it helps to keep you feeling full for longer and supports muscle repair and growth. When making your smoothies, be sure to include protein-rich ingredients such as Greek yogurt, almond butter, or chia seeds. This will help to prevent cravings and provide a lasting source of energy. One of the great things about the smoothie diet is that it allows you to customize your smoothies to suit your taste and preferences. Experiment with different combinations of ingredients and flavors to keep things interesting. You can also add extras like flax seeds, matcha powder, or ginger for added health benefits and flavor variety. Staying hydrated is crucial for weight loss as it helps to optimize your body's functions and keeps you feeling full. Alongside your smoothies, make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Infuse your water with citrus slices or herbs for a refreshing twist. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water daily for optimal results. While smoothies are a fantastic tool for weight loss, it's important to be mindful of portion sizes. Although they are packed with nutrients, they still contain calories. Consider using a smaller glass or measuring your ingredients to ensure you don't overdo it. Balance your smoothies with other nutritious meals and snacks to maintain a healthy and balanced diet. Congratulations! You are now equipped with the tips and tricks you need to maximize weight loss on the smoothie diet with the Ikaria Lean Belly Juice. Remember to choose nutrient-rich ingredients, incorporate protein, customize your smoothies, stay hydrated, and be mindful of portions. By following these guidelines, you will be well on your way to achieving your weight loss goals in a healthy and sustainable manner.